Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza and in this vlog I will be taking you on a road trip to Mont-Tremblant. Mont-Tremblant is about 1.5 hours from Montreal and the views on the way are already getting us excited. Okay guys, we parked here. Now we're heading to that is where we're staying. Le Vestin is the hotel where we stayed at Mont-Tremblant for 2 days. We already had it pre-booked and our room was already ready, so we just wanted to check in earlier. And the kids are so excited and the hotel looks very nice. So we booked 2 room suites that had 3 beds. So one was queen bed, and then we had on the other room we had 2 double beds. We also had a sofa bed, so we were like 4 adults, and we had 3 kids, which was a very good accommodation for 2 days. And this was our home for 2 days, and we enjoyed staying here. Come with me and I'll show you the view from the window. It is so beautiful. Look at these colorful hotels and the mountains. It's amazing. So I had a small kitchen with fridge, stove, microwave and dishwasher, which was great. And look, I wanted to show you the view from the balcony. Here you can see it clearly. Look at the beautiful mountains and all these colorful hotels and small shops that you can view. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay. Rocka, rocka, baby. Woo. And this is the second bathroom. Pretty cool and clean. Then we rested a bit with the kids, and after 2-3 hours we headed out and check out the rest of the hotel. Hi guys. Hi. Zoya.
Hi.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Wow. So we spotted Cabana Sucre and we wanted to try it. In English, they call it Sugar Shack. So they pour the hot maple syrup on the fresh snow. And after a few seconds, it thickens. Then you have to take a stick and roll it up and it becomes like a chewy toffee. So now we will take the chairlift and we will head to the second part of the mountain where there is all the activities for the kids and the adults. For this chairlift, there is no cost. It is free of cost and it is the most fun chairlift. You guys are gonna love it. The views are amazing as you go along the ride. Wow! So come along with me and enjoy the view. Yes. Wee. Down. Wow. like it?
Yeah, big.
So fun, Sheldon.
Wow.
Oh,
I was saying hi to you.
yeah, I would look at him. He's loving it.
Did you like it? You did the pool. Yeah, Mommy.
After reaching on the top, we did some fun activities also with the kids, with the jumping and luge. Since we got there in the evening, we could not take the cable car to reach even on the top floor. So we just did some fun activities and we went back down by taking the same chairlift. Honestly, it was too hot. We just wanted to get back into the hotel so we can rest and just head back out in the night or just spend some time in the hotel in the pool.
Wow.
We saw deers just walking around the park, so beautiful and mesmerizing.
Ladder.
Good morning, guys. This is day 2 in Mont-Tremblant. So I woke up at 7 in the morning because we had an activity to do at 9 a.m. And that place was around 30 minutes drive, but you had to be there at least 45 minutes. So this is the view after waking up. The drive was beautiful. Around there were views of the mountains, the lakes as you drive along the way. I enjoyed driving on this route. And we finally reached our destination. It's called Kanataaki. This is a red Indian tribal area because our activity was there, so we had to go inside. And as you see on the right side, they do have multiple activities for the winter and summer that you can book. So we went into the office to confirm that we are here. We had to fill out a form, and then we headed back into the ranch. And there was a lady who was already waiting for us, and there were two other people who joined. And yeah, so I mean, it was pretty amazing. I find this place really cool, and they had a lot of horses and ponies. They are rescued horses because they had an abusive past. So they really adopted them and really took good care of them. And yeah, so this is, I find this really amazing that they're taking a really good care of the horses and they have rescued them from the abusive owners from the past. And each horse has their own name, which is amazing. And you also get a training on how to handle your horse. So they train everybody. So since it was not our first time, we have already had horse riding before. We knew a little bit of how to handle the horse, but we still needed to know other things on handling the horse. And it was for kids, adults, any age. So I find this really cool that they really teach you before they let you go with your horse. This was almost 2 hours activity. We had so much fun. It was a great experience. We loved the place and the people, and we will definitely be coming here again. We headed to Mont-Tremblant beach since it was too hot and we did some water activities. They had a lot of activities here from jet skiing to kayaking, anything that you name it. We did that. We had so much fun. We checked out of our hotel and then we headed back to Montreal. I hope you guys liked this video. Please watch until the end. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.